In this video, I will show you a step-by-step guide on how you can sell on Phantom Wallet. So first things first, go ahead and open Phantom Wallet on your device. Make sure that you have enough balance or cryptocurrency available on your device. Now hit on that swap button below your current balance to be able to sell your current cryptocurrency and convert that into another cryptocurrency. So you can go ahead and change the cryptocurrency that you're going to pay along with the cryptocurrency that you want to receive. So just simply change that depending on what cryptocurrency you want to sell on Phantom Wallet and enter the amount that you want to sell and swap into a different cryptocurrency. And that is how you can simply sell on Phantom Wallet. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.